Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Let us solve question number 6 of exercise 5.2. We had to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So our given AP is that 11, then second term is 8 and 5 and 2 and so on. So the first term over here, we denote the first term by a and write it equal to 11. First term is 11 and common difference d is equal to second term minus first term, that is 11 minus 8 minus 11, that is equal to minus 3. Let us suppose minus 150 be the nth term of the given AP. So that is, we suppose an is equal to minus 150. By an we mean a plus n minus 1 into d. You know, nth term of an AP is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to minus 150. Instead of a we will write 11 and instead of d we will write minus 3. So we will get a 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. Now we will transpose 11 to the left hand side. We will get n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150 minus 11. That is, n minus 1 into minus 3 will be equal to minus 161. Only n minus 1 will be equal to minus 161 divided by minus 3. That is, we are left with n minus 1 is equal to 161 divided by 3. Negative and negative sign will vanish altogether because both denominator are negative, so we will get a positive number or a positive fraction. That is, only n will be equal to transposing minus 1 to the left hand side, will get 161 divided by 3 plus 1. So now n will be equal to 161 plus 3 divided by 3 on cross multiplication. We will get n is equal to 164 divided by 3, but we know n 164 divided by 3 is a fractional number, so it is not a positive integer. Since n is the number of terms, n is a term number and term number should not be a fraction. That is, n should be a positive integer, but over here we got n as a fraction. So our supposition that minus 150 is n term of AP is wrong. So minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Now we will come to the next question, that is question number 7 of the exercise, that is find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So in this problem we are given the two terms, that is 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. We have to find the 31st term of the AP. Let's suppose that a be the first term and d be the common difference. Whenever first term and common difference are given, we can find any of the terms of an AP. So the requisite thing to find the term of an AP are the two things, that is first term and the common difference. Since we are given that 11th term is 38, so we write a11 is 38. By a11 we mean a plus 10d is equal to 38. So we will mark it as equation first. Now also we have a16, that is 16 term is 73. We will write a16 is equal to 73. By a16 we mean a plus 15d is equal to 73. So we will mark this equation as equation second. Now we will solve the two equations. It is a form of pair. These forms a pair of linear equations in two variables, that is in a and d. So a and d are here two variables, and we will solve the pair by the elimination method. So in order to solve the pair by elimination method, we have to subtract the equation first from the equation second, so that a will get eliminated and we are left with the d. We will get the value of d. Later on we will substitute the value of d in any of the equations, and we will get the value of a. So let us subtract the equation first from equation second now. So equation second is a plus 15d equal to 73, and we will subtract first equation from it, that is a plus 10d equal to 38. Now a and a will vanish, and 15 minus 10 means 5d equal to 73 minus 38 means 35. So d is we will get 5d equal to 35, and d is equal to 35 divided by 5. By dividing 5 on both sides, we will get d equal to 7. Now we will substitute this d equal to 7 in equation first and get a plus 10 into, instead of d we will write 7 equal to 38. A plus 7, 10 is minus 70 equal to 38, and we will transpose 70 to the left hand side. We will get 38 minus 70. So a will be equal to 38 minus 70 minus 30 minus 32. So we got the value of a. When we now have got the value of a and d, so we can find the any of the term of an AP. So now a31, that 31st term of AP, we know is equal to a plus 30d. Therefore we will use value of a over here, that is minus 32, and value of d is 7 now. So we will get minus 32 plus 30 into 7 minus 210, minus 32 plus 200, that is we have to subtract 232 minus from 210, we will get 178. So a31, that is 31st term of AP, is 178. This is the answer of the question.